Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize e-signatures for title packages with DocuSign easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin the process of authorizing e-signatures for title packages with DocuSign, first, log into your DocuSign account. Once logged in, navigate to the New button located in the upper left corner of the dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Send an envelope. Next, upload the title package documents you need signed by clicking on Upload and selecting your files. After uploading, you will see a preview of your documents. Click on Add Recipients to specify who needs to sign the documents. You can add recipients by entering their names and email addresses. Specify the signing order if necessary by adjusting the numbers next to each recipient. Next, set the role for each recipient by selecting their permission level, such as needs to sign. Once the recipients are added, click on Next to proceed to the document editing phase. In the document preview, you will see different fields available for signature placement. Drag and drop the Sign Here tag to the appropriate areas within your documents. You can also add other fields, such as date and initial fields, as needed. Once you've placed all required fields, click on Next to review your envelope. Take a moment to ensure all details are correct, including recipient information and document order. If everything looks good, click the Send button to dispatch the documents for signing. DocuSign will notify the recipients via email, prompting them to review and sign the documents. Once the recipients have signed, you will receive a notification that the process is complete. Finally, you can download or store the signed documents directly from your DocuSign account for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.